Heartily welcome to our project Smart Power City. Motivation for our project is by observing the appliances, basically light and fan, being operated continuously in absence of human being. This is the main motivation for our project. Hence we started our project. Consider this to be a room. Here we placed two IR sensors. We named it to be IR sensor 1 and IR sensor 2. Basically when a human enters, the reason why we use two IR sensors are in order to distinguish whether a human being is entering or leaving. If when a person is entering, first he will be crossing IR1 and next IR2. So it does mean that if he first crosses IR1 and next IR2, it does mean that he is entering the room. While exiting, he will be crossing IR2 sensor first and IR1 next. So it does mean that he is exiting. For that we used this specific logic. When there is no human being inside the room, that is when count of human being is 0, every appliance, basically light and fan inside the room will be off. And moreover, when count is 1, whenever a human being is present inside the room, we use light dependent resistor, basically a light sensor, and temperature sensor LM35, which is an analog device. When count is greater than 1, it will be checking for the present light intensity, and it will be checking for present temperature. When it is checking for light intensity, when light is more, basically at morning we do not want any light to be on. Intentionally, if anyone needs it, he can operate it by means of his clap, that is sound sensor. Manually, a human being can go and operate it. We are very much intended to help for physically challenged people, so that is the reason why we introduced that sound sensor as well. This meanwhile can also help for human comfort. And considering regarding this temperature sensor, it will sense the surrounding temperature, and we kept a condition that when the temperature is greater than 30 degrees, that particular appliance of fan will be on. Now I'll be giving a demo showing the persons entering and showing the persons leaving. Here we are using laptop for display purpose in order for well explanation.
This is how a person enters in a room. There you can see a count equal to 1. So that's why a fan is rotating. At present, the present temperature is
Presently temperature is about 24 degrees. We can adjust this temperature to any of the value. And light intensity, the raw rate of light intensity is 4.88 volt. So as the light intensity is more, we do not want any light to be on. That is the reason why light which is kept inside our project, this room, it is off. Now we will show the condition now we will show a condition of dark intensity. I am placing my hand on LDR, creating an atmosphere that it is dark.
Here you can observe light is on.
Here light is on as I have created the atmosphere to be on. And on the other hand, I said other condition that at night, whenever the light is on, if a person is interested in offing it, he can use his clap. We kept a condition to be 2 claps. Clap activated, light is off. Light is off, and again we kept a 0. Now we will show other condition that we said that when count is 0, initially when we incremented the count, so consider that specific human being is coming out. Means IR2 sensor detects first and IR1 sensor detects next. IR2 detects first.
Count equal to 0 means there are no persons in a room.
So every appliance is off. Every appliance is in off condition. Moreover, again I will be telling our overview. Initially, we dumped our program into a microcontroller. Initially, it will check for the status of IR1 sensor. If it gives any output, it will go for IR2 sensor. If not, it will wait until IR1 gives signal. So IR1, IR2. When both these conditions are satisfied, it does mean that person has entered, so increment the count. If count is greater than 0, that means if any human being is inside the room, check for darken, means check, activate the light sensor. If it is dark, switch on light, else switch off light. And now check for temperature. If temperature is greater than 30 degrees, send command to fan, means send a command to fan to on it, else send a command to fan to off it. Moreover, as we introduced sound sensor, you can instead use it for vice versa conditions.
These are our present statistics which were collected from our institute. Actually, per month, it is being consumed for per month is 30 lakhs. So, what is it and why you are taking that much of electricity? Actually, here you can see there are 1200 lights and 880 fans per classroom, and hostels lights are 996 and fans are 950. So total consumption per month is 14,000 of units are being consumed for classrooms, and wherever 5,000 units are being consumed for hostels for lights, and total consumption is 32,000 units. Whereas if we take 2 hours per day, so if 2 hours are being wasted, 5,000 units are being wasted per a month. So if we take 7 rupees per unit, so approximately 50,000 or 1 lakh being wasted per month. It is so much huge amount, and at last it is being counted for hostels. 3,899 units are being wasted. So our project came up with to save whatever lost money we have. Even it is applicable for hotels and shopping malls and conference halls. Not only to our institute, in home appliances also we can use. We can save our money.
And these are the statistics which we have collected per month. Just observe, there are 12 months in a year. So such a vast amount, we can save such a vast amount, and using that amount we can use it for our educational purpose. So this is one of our intention, to help our university so that they can indeed help us. If we help them, they will help us. That is our main motto. And these are our software results when we are doing our project. And our future work is, for example, consider this room. A person entered, he is drawing here. What we have observed is, whenever a student is entering the room, instead of switching on his particular appliance, means if his place is here, instead of switching on that particular appliance which is nearby to him, he is switching on every light and fan. So we thought of doing other thing. That means, as our classes are big, means there are 12 lights and 8 fans in our classrooms. So we will be categorizing our classroom into 3 divisions, 3 sections. So we will be placing one sensor. We are designing it, 60% of it is over. We will be categorizing it. Whenever count is greater than 0, that means whenever a human being is there, our particular sensor which we are designing right now will be checking out where the person is. Is he in area 1, area 2 or area 3? If he is in area 1, area 2, area 3 lights and fans will be off. Only area 1, that particular lights will be on. This is our future work. 60% of it is done, and we will be furnishing, or we are in the process of taking it out. And other future work is, we will work on developing communication among sensing and controlling sections when placed at different places. Here in our project, we have shown everything. We have shown light sensor, temperature sensor, IR modules and all. At last, what you can observe is, we connected our appliance directly here. Means fan is here, light is here. By means of connecting wires, we connected it. But in real sense, practical sense, this is not the case. Switchboards are somewhere and room is somewhere. Means we will be placing our sensing module somewhere and switchboard is somewhere. So there should be some communication. Sensing section has to give the results to switchboard. So that switchboard, there we can place some relays or any other kind of devices, so that it will be acting according to the signals given by our sensing section. This is our future work. There is one particular mechanism using Zigbee communication module we can interact. But what we observed is Zigbee communication is quite expensive. We are thinking of other particular communication module. There means as it is specific room, location means the distance for communication is also too less. So signal strength should be there, signal strength should be more, the least power consumption should be more. We will be working with that motive. Moreover, we would like to extend this particular application to other devices like ACs, laptops and all. Finally, conclusion is this project helps in utilizing electrical energy very effectively, which presently our government is being facing. The references for our project is instructables.com, where we got many details of the components which we used. Those are very clearly explained in instructables.com, and Arduino.cc. We programmed everything in Arduino microcontroller. We learned the way to program from this website Arduino.cc. Thanks a lot for these two websites. Thank you, Ananda.
Arduino microcontrollers,
This is Arduino microcontroller,
which is very user friendly. And one more applications that you can see. Recently you can see in Inadu newspaper. These are our calculations, power calculations. And you can see one more applications that we.
These are our bills.
And at last you can see that it is about 22 lakhs being consumed per month.
These are for different months.
In month of March, you can see 22 lakhs power bill has come.
25 lakhs.
In month of April,
This is one of the application which we are interested in doing.
actually you can see here a two-way road where a vehicle is going on. Street lights are only on at the place where vehicle is going on. So here you can save the power being wasted for government. We can save money for the government. That is what our intention.
Means it will detect whether a vehicle is there or not. Means when vehicle is there, it will detect, then it will on the light. Else, means we can see many lights across dividers. Many lights are being on, so we can consume lot. We can save lot of power by means of it. This is one of the application. With our application of what we are doing, we said that we are designing one thing by means of the sensor called EIR. With that, we can even save in conference halls, hotels, shopping malls, and all. Thank you.